they did a really good job making sure that almost anything that the fans wanted was in that game. 11 out of 10. Very good.
LEGO Star Wars The Skywalker Saga is one of the best open-world LEGO games because of the comedy and the mission variety. LEGO Star Wars TSS is an action-adventure LEGO game developed by Traveller's Tales, who is also known for making Super Monkey Ball Adventure, World Rally Championships, and many other LEGO games. This game scores an 82% from Metacritic, 8 out of 10 from IGN, and 77% from PC Gamer. Sources believe this game was a bit rushed, and that the side missions are a bit copy-paste. They also believe the sense of humor and mission variety is great.
The game is a lot of fun. It basically follows the entire timeline of the Star Wars franchise from start to finish. You can start at either Episode 1, Episode 4, or Episode 7 and play through any of the trilogies in any order. Bunch of different levels based on the events of the movies. Some new DLC are coming out about, character packs from The Mandalorian and everything, so it's really fun to be able to play through, the events of the original trilogy with some of your favorite characters from the prequels or The Mandalorian or anything, and it's just a lot of fun. What they say is true. It is the biggest LEGO game with the most stuff in it. It gets to the point where it's almost overwhelming at times when you go to new places and you're all of a sudden thrust into a free roam area, entire planet where you can go do whatever you want, unlock characters, find secrets, everything. But it is a lot of fun. And once you get into the groove, it's hard to put down. I mean, everything is taken straight from the movies. They don't include a lot of the shows, but in terms of just the 9 main movies, it is taken straight from there. It is LEGO game fashion, so there's a lot of memes and references to other things that aren't necessarily Star Wars, but the story is taken directly from the movies. There's everything from random, there's references to all things like Robot Chicken Star Wars. There's even Harry Potter references. Liam Neeson says something about having a particular set of skills in a voice line. There's anything you could imagine. LEGO really took their time to think out every Easter egg in the game. Any character you could probably think of from Star Wars is probably in the game. The gameplay is more fluid than any other LEGO game before. It's a lot more involved and a lot more things you could do in combat and exploring. There's little dialogue references from almost every NPC. It's really, really cool. I've played it with my roommate and a few people have come over. It feels just like the old LEGO Star Wars games that I played growing up. I mean, the only difference is that, it goes split screen, so you have a little bit more freedom to roam around. It's not like you're confined to the same screen anymore, but it's still very fluid, very well designed, and a lot of fun to play too. So the levels themselves are very linear, but the areas between the levels, like when you're not flying a ship or doing a specific story mission, are open world. You can travel to any planet you want, go into space, go around the planet and do a bunch of secrets. It's a lot of fun. I grew up with LEGO Star Wars The Complete Saga, and it's kind of hard to top that nostalgia, but they really tie in a lot of the new game with the old game and manage to bring a lot for new Star Wars fans, old Star Wars fans, casual, intense fans. It encompasses everything, and it just has so much more content, so much more things to do than any other LEGO game I've ever played. People love the LEGO Yoda death sound, and they didn't include that in the game. But they did a really good job making sure that almost anything that the fans wanted was in that game.
LEGO Star Wars TSS is the best open-world LEGO game. The comedy, mission variety, and game detail all contribute to make this game a perfect LEGO game. Traveller Tales and Warner Bros. Did a wonderful job developing the game.